Ford didn't kill the Shelby GT500. This involved because while the internet keeps screaming about 2027 Mustang GT500, this is the real car you have actually been seeing. The 2026 Mustang Dark Horse, nearly 800 horsepower, a supercharged Predator V8. Dual clutch transmission, GT developed aero and chassis tuning, and unlike the old GT500, this car wasn't built to dominate headline. It was built to dominate everything. The drag strip, the road course, even daily driving. And honestly, this may be most important American performance car Ford has built in decades. The big question, why no Shelby? Why did Ford ditch the Shelby name entirely? Because this car could have easily been called GT500. The numbers are there, the engine is there, the performance is absolutely there. But Ford wants something different now. Under Jim Farley leadership, Ford Performance is trying to create modern identity around Dark Horse. Not nostalgia, not licensing. This is Ford saying we don't need the Shelby badge anymore to build a monster. And honestly, that's a risky move. The engine, the legend. The real reason this car matters. The engine. Internally, this project was reportedly nicknamed Legend, and once you understand the hardware, that name makes sense. Under the hood is a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8 producing 795 horsepower, 660 pound-feet of torque. But this isn't just an old GT500 engine with more boost. This powertrain share architecture and development DNA with the insane Mustang GTD, meaning Ford engineered this car for sustained track abuse, heat management, consistent power delivery, long-term durability margin. This is real motorsport engineering trickling into a street car. GTD DNA, the chassis engineering, you get MagneRide adaptive damper, track development suspension geometry, carbon fiber driveshaft, Torsen limited slip differential with dedicated cooler, massive Brembo brake, functional aerodynamic downforce, and in track pack form, Ford claims serious high-speed stability numbers. Performance American supercar. The old GT500 already terrified people, but this car goes even further with better tires, better aero, better cooling, and improved chassis balance. Expect low 3-second 0 to 60 time, high 10-second quarter-mile capability, significantly stronger track endurance, and thanks to Tramac dual clutch transmission. Power delivered is brutally fast. So manual at launch, and yes, some enthusiasts will hate that, but objectively, this transmission makes the car dramatically quicker. The reality check, the part nobody likes to talk about, ownership reality, because 795 horsepower sound amazing until you are buying. Adds constantly, premium fuel every few days, expensive insurance, potential DCT servicing, supercharger maintenance over time. Third life become almost a joke. This isn't cheap Mustang anymore. Dark Horse SC versus Super Snake. Things get interesting because Shelby American still exist, and they are building their own S650 based Super Snake with 830 plus horsepower. Manual option include wide body styling, Whipple supercharger, huge price tag. So now enthusiasts face a strange decision. Do you want the fully engineered factory Ford monster or the wild aftermarket Shelby experience? The bigger story, American muscle refused to die. In a world moving toward EVs, hybrid and silence, Ford just invested heavily in supercharged V8 built in Michigan. That's matter because this car isn't just transportation, a loud one, and while EVs dominate torque number, they still can't replace the sound, the vibration, the drama, the violence of supercharged V8. This car excites because enthusiasts still care about emotion. The Dark Horse SC isn't just a replacement for the GT500. It's Ford redefinement modern American performance. More defined, more capable, more track focused, but still completely insane. So now I want to hear from you. Would you take the factory engineered Dark Horse SC or the manual Super Snake? Drop your answer below.